Honda CB400 has always held a special place in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts. Known for its reliability, performance, and timeless styling, the CB400 has become a cult classic in many parts of the world, especially in Asia and Australia. Now, in 2025, Honda has brought the CB400 back, and it's not just a simple refresh. With modern tech, refined performance, and unmistakable CB design DNA, the 2025 CB400 is here to make a bold statement in the world of naked street bikes. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 CB400 maintains that retro-inspired naked look we've come to love, but it's far from outdated. Honda has blended classic lines with contemporary details. A round LED headlamp, minimalist bodywork, and a sculpted fuel tank give it a muscular yet refined appearance. The bike sits on lightweight alloy wheels and features a clean, exposed engine layout that pays homage to the original CB lineup while subtly incorporating modern sport bike cues. It strikes a perfect balance between heritage and modernity. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the CB400 gets a liquid-cooled, 399 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a configuration that's becoming increasingly rare in this displacement category. This engine revs high, delivers smooth linear power, and offers a truly exhilarating riding experience. Honda has fine-tuned it for better throttle response, low-end torque, and reduced emissions, making it both thrilling and environmentally responsible. With a power output hovering around 50 horsepower and a redline that pushes beyond 11,000 RPM, the CB400 isn't just about looks, it's about delivering an engaging ride. Transmission and rideability. The 2025 CB400 features a 6-speed manual transmission paired with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and reduced engine braking, especially helpful for newer riders or aggressive downshifting scenarios. The gear ratios are well spaced, allowing for spirited riding in the city and comfortable cruising on the highway. The chassis is light and agile, with a low seat height that makes it accessible for a wide range of riders. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the CB400 feels easy to handle and fun to push. Suspension and braking. Honda has equipped the CB400 with premium suspension components for improved ride quality. The front uses a Showa SFF-BP USD fork, while the rear gets a monoshock setup that is preload adjustable. This translates to a confident, planted feel both in urban settings and on twisty back roads. Braking is handled by dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, both with ABS. The feel at the lever is responsive, with enough bite to inspire confidence even in emergency situations. Combined with lightweight construction, the CB400 offers precise control and agile maneuvering. Technology and features. Despite its classic appearance, the 2025 CB400 is loaded with modern tech. A full-color TFT display replaces the old analog cluster, offering real-time information like gear position, fuel efficiency, and Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can pair their smartphones to receive notifications and control music. There's also a standard USB-C charging port, LED lighting all around, and a smart keyless ignition system. Honda has clearly focused on blending convenience with performance, ensuring the CB400 appeals to a tech-savvy generation of riders. Pricing and market position. One of the most impressive things about the 2025 CB400 is its pricing. Honda has managed to keep it relatively affordable, making it one of the most accessible 4-cylinder motorcycles on the market today. It sits nicely between entry-level 300 cubic centimeters bikes and more aggressive 600 cubic centimeters street fighters, offering a perfect middle ground for riders looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Given its features, build quality, and performance, the CB400 presents excellent value in the modern motorcycle market. Final thoughts: who is this bike for? The 2025 Honda CB400 is not just a motorcycle, it's a tribute to Honda's rich legacy in motorcycle craftsmanship. It's ideal for riders who want classic styling with modern reliability, those who appreciate the feel of a high-revving four-cylinder, or anyone searching for a stylish and balanced daily ride. Whether you're commuting, canyon carving, or just enjoying weekend rides, the CB400 delivers a rewarding and connected riding experience. In a world of aggressive styling and digital overload, the CB400 reminds us why we fell in love with motorcycling in the first place.